So let's look at some cases. So what is the shape of this lesion? I want you all to say, because this is a workshop, irregular margins, spiculated enhancement, heterogeneous. Perfect. You all are spot on. You will call it suspicious, right? What about this mass shape? Oval, margins, circumscribed. And do you see anything specific in this lesion? Septations, and these are T2, this is a T2 weighted images, and these are dark internal septations. So this is often seen in fibroadenomas, but not always, but commonly. If everything else fits into fibroadenoma, we'll call it a fibroadenoma. This lesion, oval, circumscribed, homogeneous. So likely to be fibroadenoma. We'll look at T2 weighted image. If it is hyperintense on T2, we'll call it fibroadenoma. I'll come to that also. This lesion, this is T2 and this is post-contrast. It is extremely hyperintense on T2 and on post-contrast it is not enhancing. This is the most important finding in breast MR. If you don't see enhancement, 99% of the time, 99.9% it is not a cancer. If this is so obviously not a cancer, but I'm saying if you don't, lack of enhancement has the highest specificity. So if you don't see enhancement, you are quite certain that whatever abnormality you're seeing on T2 is not a cancer. So this is oval, circumscribed and non-enhancing. So this is a cyst. What about this? So this is lobulated and margins are non-circumscribed. Some in mammography we would call it microlobulated, but here we would just call it irregular. And it is having heterogeneous enhancement. You can see there are non-enhancing areas within it. So there is some necrosis. So this is again suspicious, right? What about this lesion? It is irregular shape and this is a post-contrast image. So this has irregular shape and it has a central necrotic area. So it is heterogeneous enhancement and irregular margins also. So irregular shape, irregular margins and heterogeneous thick rim enhancement, right? So this is malignant. What about this? This is the centripetal filling. So this is a 2 minutes phase. We are seeing this lesion and on the 5 minutes phase it has completely filled in. This is malignant, okay? Malignancies show centripetal filling. So round, circumscribed with centripetal enhancement. This has been removed from the current version of Bired's. I don't know why, but I like it. And it is seen in malignancy. Now, apart from these things, what we use from I told you enhancement is very important. Margins are very important. We use T2 characteristics. So usually malignancies of the breast are T2 dark or T2 iso-intense. And if a lesion is T2 hyperintense, it is very likely that it is malignant.